Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Charlie and today we're still selling guitars. If you've seen a couple of my previous videos, I'm selling off a good chunk of my guitar collection to help my wife and I and our family to move from Columbia to Michigan to be closer to my parents who have some health issues, and we simply got to get home, go help them out and all that good stuff. And so today I've got a vintage 1970s Martin-style acoustic. This is possible a custom Yamaki guitar which was made in Japan back in the day. It's got rosewood back and sides, it's got spruce top, made in Japan quality, and it comes with a hard shell case. This one, it reminds me of an old Martin D28. And I picked this guitar up originally from a friend who had passed, who gave me a bunch of guitars. And we played guitars back in the day when I was 18, and we played in my dad's garage into the night, but that was what it was. My friend had passed, and he gave me a bunch of guitars, and this one was one of them. It does not have any label on it whatsoever, unfortunately, so I can't ID exactly what it is. But just from posting in different forums online and from poking around and stuff like that with my research, this one is exactly like one of my Yamaki guitars. And so Yamaki was a company that copied all these old Martin guitars from back in the day. Martin actually ended up having a lawsuit with them, and they could not reproduce the Martin-style guitars much anymore. And there's a whole bunch of other main Japan companies that did this back in the day. But this one reminds me of a D28, maybe a D35 on there as well. If you like Martin quality and you want to save on buying one of those Martin guitars, which cost thousands of dollars, this one's for you. This guitar is absolutely incredible. I do have another guitar that's a Yamaki, kind of just like it on here. I'm going to keep that guitar from my friend, and I'm going to let this one go because I have to fund my family to get us home so that I can be closer to my parents and help them out and stuff. So this guitar is in amazing condition. Like I say, spruce top on here. She's got a rosewood back and sides. So if I go ahead and I scroll down, let me just click on this one right here. Here's rosewood back and sides, as you can see. She's getting played on here by my friend and stuff like that. So it's got a couple of things on here as well. Old made in Japan style tuners and stuff like that. It's got strap hooks on here so you can go ahead and strap up and play up this one standing up and whatnot as well. Here's the top again and from the front. As you can see, nothing on the headstock. This is a history lesson. Back in the day, Yamaki commonly did this when they started changing things on their guitars. That's why I suspect that this is a Yamaki Custom guitar. It usually had either Yamaki Custom stamped on the top or Yamaki Deluxe or Yamaki Folk was on the inner part on there in the sticker as well. Yamaki guitars customly had like a little stamp inside that would say what it was, which my other Yamaki guitar does. This one does not have any indications on there whatsoever, but it's got the telltale signs from how the frets are done to like how the tuners are to how the headstock is copied to Martin on there as well, and everything about it says good old made in Japan guitar. This is an incredible guitar for anybody that loves Martin guitars, like I say, because it sounds amazing. I play y'all a tune on this, but I currently went back to Columbia, so after I took these pictures and stuff. But if you want to go ahead and pick this one up, it sounds just like a Martin in my opinion. So anyway, it's got new strings on there. It's all been set up. You got some really amazing stuff around here. It's got a couple little nicks on there and stuff, but hey, if you don't have a guitar that's been played, there ain't no sense in playing guitar because like I say, if a clean guitar comes along and stuff, you won't play it. A little bit of love on there and stuff goes a long way with a guitar. So you can see fretboard's really clean on here. All these frets are awesome. They're ready to play and stuff. Here it is from the front again. You can see it glowing in the sun. I like playing these guitars on the porch, as I say in my other videos and stuff too. So this one will be a great guitar for anybody to record with, to write with, to go ahead and do anything with really on there. Here's the back of the headstock once more. A little bit out of focus, I apologize, but I just want to catch a couple little nicks that are on there. So I want to be transparent on all these sales I'm trying to do in here as well. Let me just go back and show you that rosewood back and sides again. Amazing. Like if I was to go ahead and have $1 million to get my family home, I would keep this guitar in a heartbeat because I love old made Japan style guitars and stuff like that. This one's just like a Martin, like I say. And if you are a Guitar player who can't afford a Martin, I'm just going to say this is for you. These old made in Japan style guitars, they usually go for about $700, but I'm letting this one go for $550 plus 75 shipping to put it in the good hands of someone who will play it and give it some love on there. And like I said, the reason I'm selling these guitars is to get my wife and my family up from Columbia to Michigan so that we can be closer to my parents before anything happens and stuff like that. They got some health issues. We got to get home. That's how it goes. If you can't buy a guitar today, you can also help us out by making a donation in the comments. We appreciate every dollar that goes towards this cause. You can go ahead and do the super fans or the stickers or whatever and stuff like that in the comments. If you cannot financially contribute, you can also go ahead and simply like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Turn on notifications for other guitars I'm selling as well. You can also see over on the Reverb shop the other guitars that I'm selling in my shop right here, Charlie Guitar. I'm going to be letting a whole lot go, so if you know anybody looking for a good guitar and stuff like that, nice vintage guitars, you can go ahead and direct them that way and you can have them check them out and stuff like that. Or simply share this video in forums like on Facebook or Reddit or wherever and stuff like that. Every set of eyeballs on these helps us to go ahead and put them in good hands so that we can fund our family to get home. I appreciate y'all very much for checking this out. Thank you so much for coming over here today and checking out this guitar with me. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much. Take care.